this is literally just a quarter of them because I don't outside with me. So, and I've got some more puppets, but I might do a part 2. Like, I don't know when, but still. So, first I have, by the way, just remember this is only a quarter. A square puppet, and then this is the good side. And sometimes I call this the cotton candy thing, and it's really nice. Oh, I've got really bad hiccups. So that's that. Then the yellow Among Us, good side, and this one has a bad side, and it's a little bit stiff to push, but other than that, it's really good. And the next is this puppet. Good thing about this, I love this puppet, it pops on both sides. It's got a good side on both sides. So that was the quiet side. Like, it pops on both sides. And then that's us. So I love that one. Next is this. I do have loads of more puppets, but I've still got a couple more to show you. It's that puppet. It's soft, but it has got a bad side. But on the bad side is that. On the good side, it doesn't really pop that loud, but it still pops quite loud. So that's that. I've got really bad hiccup, sorry. This one, it's got a bad side and a really hard to put, like it's quite hard, a little bit hard to push. And then, but the good sides are like amazing. So that's that. There's this one. This is the good side. Guess that. A mini puppet. Elephant. This is the good side. It doesn't really pop. This one, I cut the middle out of it. Well, my friend did. And then this is the. Not really that good anyway. And this is the middle bit, so that's a mini puppet. That's all the puppets that are there. I do have some more, but still. So next are my two of my dimples. So as a mask, this is the bad side, and then good sides. There's this fidget spinner dimple. This is the bad side and good side. That's all dimples. And the two needles I brought out. I'm scared this one's gonna pop, so I'm not gonna squeeze it. And this green one. So it's got like. It's like shaving cream with a little bit of flour in. So that's the two needles. Two of my always stressfuls is this poop one, green, and there's this white circle one. Next thing is dough balls. 3 of my dough balls. So this is my least favourite. Poo. Then second favourite, and then I love them all, So these are them all. This one's got almost like donuts. This one's like just right, and this one's just really soft. So that's them. Some of my monkey noodles. So a textured monkey noodle. The tiniest monkey noodle, like skinniest. A snake monkey noodle, like textured one again. And two spoons, that's just a little bit of them. This monkey thing, I've still got here, guys. That's cute. Two of my marble mouse because I gave one to my cousin and she lost the pink one. So yeah. I did have 4 wacky tracks but gave 2 away, like trade. So now I've just got 2. So if you know the background noises. I do want those mochis, but I've just bought 2. Snowman and Ringy. A fidget spinner. It's a really weird fidget spinner. 2 of my globals, a green and a blue. Okay, look. Let me move that. Oh, they won't go up. Can you see it, guys? Sorry. Probably can't see it, but that's them. And I need to wait for them to fit. One just fit. And oh, here's my other mochi. Next is a zippy bracelet. I can just play with this all day. I can like eat food with this, sleep like just doing this. Look how satisfying it is. That's one of my favourites. Then there's this textured air stress ball, like a shaggy air stress ball. Bike chain. I've got loads more. One of my favourites, a reversible octopus, plush octopus. Sad. Happy. Yep. And last of all, just like a quarter of them, is a broken snake that my cousin broke. So they're all the ones oh, and a pea popper. And they're all the ones I brung like outside. So hope you guys have a great day. Rest of your day. Hope you have a nice dinner. I had McDonald's and just bye. Love ya.